Right morning, attorney. We are here to present the mock trial for the crime of adultery. All rise. District 1 of Escalante branch is now in session. Honorable Judge Eddie Fernandez is presiding. Silence is not hereby enjoined.
Let us pray without prayer for the courts.
Almighty God, stand in your holy presence as a living judge. We humbly beseech you to bless and inspire us so that not only say and do will reign accordance to your will. Enlighten our minds, strengthen our spirits, and fill our hearts with eternal love, wisdom, and understanding, so that we can become effective judges, truth, justice, and peace. In our proceedings today, guide us in the path of righteousness, for the fulfillment of our greater glory. Amen.
We will now all be seated. Call the case.
Calling the criminal case number 54C78, the people of the Philippines versus Mrs. Mary Grace Colintaba and Mr. John Peter Hidalgo for the crime of adultery.
Appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am the sitting prosecutor, Ms. Giselle de la Peña for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am Giselle Menglong from the Public Attorney's Office for the Defense.
Are the both sides ready?
Ready for the people, Your Honor.
Ready for the defense, Your Honor.
Is the accused present in court?
Yes, Your Honor.
How about the private lieutenant?
Present, Your Honor.
Very well. Let us now proceed to the testimony of the witness. The prosecution may call its first witness to testify.
Your Honor, the people calls for the complainant itself to testify for the case.
Please state your full name, age, residence, and civil status first.
I am Hidalgo Colintaba. I am 42 years old. I live in Barangay Cervantes, City, and I am
Raise your right hand. Do you promise that the testimony you shall give in the case before this court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
I do.
Your Honor, I would like to formally offer to you the testimony of the witness in this case in order to prove the following matters, such as, first, that the defendant is a legally married woman; second, that the complainant have witnessed his wife having sexual intercourse with other man other than him; third, in order to prove that the other man knows that the defendant is a legally married woman and all the matters involving this case.
Granted.
Your Honor, I would like to ask permission to approach the witness.
Proceed.
Good morning, Mr. Colintaba. What is your relationship to the defendant?
She is my wife.
On what year did the two of you got married?
In year of something.
Your Honor, I would like to formally offer to you the marriage certificate of Mr. and Mrs. Colintaba, which has, as Exhibit A, which has been marked during the pre-trial. Your Honor, can you now proceed to the marking of exhibit?
Okay, mark it.
Your Honor, I would like to formally ask permission to continue the direct examination to the witness.
Proceed.
Mr. Colintaba, on the day of September 15, 2024, is there any unusual things that happened during the day, if there's any?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you tell us what happened during the day?
I saw my wife having sexual intercourse with another man.
Where were you able to witness that your wife is having sexual intercourse with another man?
In our own house.
After you witnessed them having sexual intercourse, what did you do after you witnessed them?
I waited for a while and I took a picture of them while sleeping.
Your Honor, I would like to formally offer to you the photograph that has been taken by Mr. Colintaba itself, which as Exhibit B, which has been remarked during the pre-trial. Your Honor, can we now proceed to the marking of exhibit?
Mark it.
Your Honor, I would like to formally ask permission to continue the direct examination.
Proceed.
Mr. Colintaba, do you know the other party who you have witnessed which have been sexual intercourse with your wife?
Yes, ma'am. His name, John Gabriel.
And how were you able to know Mr. Ricanto?
He is a close friend of mine.
And how long have you known Mr. Ricanto?
Since we're in college, ma'am.
For your participation, Mr. Colintaba. Your Honor, I have no further questions. That's all.
Are there any requests for cross-examination, defense counsel?
Your Honor, I would like to ask permission to approach the witness.
Granted.
Mr. Colintaba, it is stated in your complaint affidavit that you are currently living in Barangay Cervantes, Escalante City, in which where you have witnessed both of my clients having sexual intercourse. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Colintaba, you also mentioned that you still waited for a while after witnessing both of my clients having sexual intercourse, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Objection, Your Honor. The question had already been asked during their examination.
Your Honor, I was just trying to recall the given statements with the complainants because it is significant to the next question. Isn't it that the first thing that the husband should feel after witnessing his wife having sexual intercourse with another man is to feel mad or enraged, Mr. Colintaba? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, you still waited for a while after witnessing that. Does it mean that you were not disturbed of what you have witnessed, Mr. Colintaba?
I was, but
Is it because perhaps you have other relationship other than your wife for the current time, Mr. Colintaba?
Objection, Your Honor. Speculations.
Withdrawn.
Objection sustained. Reform your question, counsel.
Do you have any other romantic relationship other than your wife, Mr. Colintaba?
yes, I have, but we're legally married and what they did to me was wrong.
Well, I'm not saying it's right, Mr. Colintaba. I am just acknowledging the fact that you also have a current girlfriend during this time. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, I have no further questions. That will be all. Thank you, Mr. Colintaba.
Is there any request for the prosecution for the direct examination?
None, Your Honor.
How about the defense? Does the defense have any request for a cross-examination of the witness?
None, Your Honor.
The witness is now excused.
Here we are.
Will there be any other witnesses from the prosecution?
None, Your Honor.
And how about the defense?
If we still have time, we would like to present the next witness by the name J. Kyle Daypalan to corroborate the theory of the defense. Your Honor.
We are on the last part of our session, defense counsel.
For the lack of material time, can we have a continuance for the next trial date and we will present our next witness, Your Honor.
Will the issuance of software be needed for the next witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, make an order for the software of the next witness and let us see the continuance of the next trial date for the formal offer of the testimony of the witness of the defense.
Your Honor, the next trial date for the formal offer of the testimony of the witness from the defense will be December 15, 2024 at 9 a.m. in the morning.
Are both parties available in the mentioned date?
Yes, Your Honor.
Available, Your Honor.
Furnish a copy of this order to the city prosecutor, defense counsel, private complainant, and the accused, and wait for them to sign it. So ordered.